Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone, back with another cooking video, and today we are making chicken and white chocolate and strawberry waffles, okay y'all? You can definitely eat this any time of day, but this would make a cute little Valentine's Day breakfast or dinner, so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's get cooking y'all.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice.
First things first, we gotta prep the chicken to be fried. Y'all already know what I'm gonna say. I cannot tell you how much seasoning to use. I can't give you no exact measurements. Please season according to your specific taste. But just know, in this kitchen, it ain't seasoned if you ain't sneezing, okay?
Period.
Okay, y'all, very important step when frying chicken. Everybody don't do this, and I don't understand why, but to each its own. And you can definitely taste the difference, but you got to use mustard when frying chicken. It really just helps bring the flavor out and make it extra crispy. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and marinate the chicken in the fridge for about 20 minutes while I prep the grease and get started on the waffles.
20 minutes later.
Now you can use any kind of chicken breader you want, or flour, whatever you choose, but I personally love House Archery brand because it's pre-seasoned and that's less work for me.
Period.
And this Bob's Red Mill white chocolate and strawberry pancake mix was actually an experiment. I have never tried it before. I usually just use plain pancake mix like Bisquick or something, but I actually have tried a granola from Bob's Red Mill brand, and I saw that at Walmart. I was like, ooh, and to my surprise, it actually ended up being really good. So as you can see on the back of the bag, it literally says 1 cup of mix. I always double when I see stuff like that because I know I'm feeding more than one person. So you'll see me use 2 cups here and 2 tablespoons of oil and more water than it calls for. That's why. my grease heat up on medium heat for about 15 minutes at this point. So when I drop the chicken in, it's gonna get straight to sizzling. Now that the chicken is all fried up and the grease is settling, it's time to start on these waffles, y'all. And I'm so excited to use my brand new mini waffle maker from Amazon for the first time, because the last one I had, I dropped it and broke it during the move. So I desperately had to replace it because we love chicken and waffles in this house. And it actually did a lot better than I expected it to, being that it's so small. waffles are done. It is now time to plate them up and syrup them down, okay? Chicken and waffles, a comfort food you can literally never go wrong with, okay? I'm fresh off the clock, definitely hungry and ready to wind it down for the night. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave me some comments down below, and I will catch y'all in the next one.